So, hello my dear friend. Today we are going to discuss today we are going to discuss new topic, the concentration term. Concentration term. Okay. The first term is mass by mass percent. It means W by W percent means mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100 means it is a formula. Formula is quite easy, but there is another easy way to calculate all the things. Okay, let us see. So we have formula W by W means the mass of solute divided by the mass of solution into 100. So we have okay example, the 4% solution by mass of NaCl. It means 4 gram of NaCl what dissolved in what 100 minus 4 is equals to 96 gram of water. Okay, another example we have the 4% alcohol by mass solution. It means the 4 gram of alcohol dissolved in 96 gram of water. Another example, 8% of alcohol. It means the 8 gram of alcohol dissolved in 92 gram of water. Another example, the 40% alcohol by mass. It means the 40 gram of alcohol dissolved in 60 gram of water. And we have an example just like 10%, okay, 10% sugar solution by mass. It means that 10 gram of sugar dissolved in 90 gram of water. And for this, the question in this question, it could ask the mole of solvent. Okay, mass of if we know the mass of solvent, then we can easily calculate the mole of solvent. Okay, and if we have if we took means we took 100 gram of solution means if we subtract from the mass of solution, if we subtract from mass of solution to the mass of solute, then we get the mass of solvent. Okay, we have another example, the 20% by mass of the NaOH solution. It means 20 gram of NaOH dissolved in what 80 gram of water. Next, we prepare some chart by solving the all these example. First example, we have 4% NaCl solution by mass means the 4 gram NaCl dissolved in 96 gram of water. Total mass of solution is 100 gram. 4 gram alcohol means the 4 gram alcohol dissolved in what 96 gram of water. Total mass is 100 gram. Okay, total mass is 100 gram. Okay, and we have another example, the 10 gram of sugar solution means the 10 gram of sugar dissolved in 90 gram of water. The total mass of solution is 100 gram. And the 20% NaOH solution means 20 gram NaOH dissolved in what 80 gram of water. The 100% mass 100 gram of mass of solution. We have another example, the 8% alcohol dissolved in what 8% alcohol solution means by mass means the 8 gram of alcohol dissolved in 92 gram of water, and the total mass of solution is 100 gram. We have 40 gram of alcohol means the 40 gram alcohol dissolved in 60 gram of solvent. We took the solvent, simple water, and the total mass of solution is 100 gram. Type of question: the percentage of solution given and asking the mass of solute, mass of solvent, mass of mole of solute, mole of solvent. Okay, and in the question, if the mass of solute given, then it find the percentage of solution and mole of solute, mass of solute, and mass of solvent also. And third type of question, give the mole of solute and ask the percentage of solution by mass and mass of solvent. Means we have solute and solvent, then we get what? Solution percentage by mass. So if it is given, okay, if it is given, then it can ask about the properties of solute. What properties? Means mass and moles, okay, of each solute as well as solvent. And if in the question, and if in the question it is given, okay, it is given, then it can ask this, okay, total percentage of solution and the mass of solution, okay, and in the next it will ask, okay, it could ask what, a dilution of solution, okay, then the mass of solute and mass of solvent, it could be asked, okay. So let us summarize our lecture. Today we discussed concentration term. So first term, mass by mass percentage, okay. A total 7 types of concentration terms we will discuss in the solution chapter. So the formula is mass of solute divided by mass of solvent multiply by 100, okay, multiply by 100, okay. And we have example. First, 4% solution by mass of NaCl means 4 gram NaCl dissolved in 96 gram of water. We took some chart like this. So in the first example, 4% NaCl by mass means the 4 gram NaCl dissolved in 96 gram of water. 4% alcohol means the 4 gram alcohol dissolved in 96 gram of water. 10 gram sugar solution, it means 10 gram of sugar dissolved in 90 gram of water. And 20% NaOH solution by mass means the 20 gram NaOH dissolved in 80 gram of water. 8% alcohol solution means the 8 gram of alcohol dissolved in 92 gram of water. 40% alcohol means 40 gram of alcohol dissolved in 60 gram of water. So the important thing is Mass of solute is in gram, and as well as mass of solution is also in gram. Okay, and the mass of solvent, okay, it is also in gram, but how we get the mass of solution minus mass of solute. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture. Thank you for watching it. Okay, thank you.